Our insightful director, sir, envisions Velamal School of Commerce to be an institute of academic excellence with total commitment to quality education in commerce, management, and related fields. Honorable Sir's mission is to empower students with the knowledge and guidance that they need to become worthy management professionals. The motto of our Commerce Department is to focus on outreach programs that would help the students serve the world well with innovation and wisdom across the broad range of humanities challenges in a globalized era.
My name is Saranya. I am studying class 11. My presentation is about Tata Consultancy Services Company. So this is the executive summary of Tata Consultancy Services. So about the company of Tata Consultancy Services. These people are the board of directors. These people take part in hiring general manager and selecting the officers of the board. About the segments of TCS. So TCS is divided into 5 segments. So this is the profit and loss statement of TCS company. Profit and loss analysis of TCS. The share price has been low from March due to corona pandemic. Thank you.
My presentation is about the investor pitch about Samsung. And Samsung is a South Korean multinational company which is headquartered in Samsung Townsville and it comprises of numerous businesses. So share price analysis. Samsung share price this is the share price of Samsung for 5 years. So as you can see in 2020 April the market has taken a dive. We all know what happened on April because of the coronavirus. And when the market opened, it was 79,000, and its highest point was 80,000, and the lowest point was 78,000, and the yearly high was 80,100. So this is the info from the balance.
On the corporate analyst of Ford Motor Company, that is the analysis of Ford Motor Company based on its annual reports and share price. Ford Motor Company, commonly known as Ford, is an American multinational automaker that has its headquarters in USA. It was founded by Henry Ford.
I'm Priyanka. So for today's presentation, I've taken Asian Paints as my topic. It is a multinational Indian paint company. So it is engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling paints, and it was founded in the year 1942. Asian Paints is a well-established company which focuses on both consumers' protection and also highly innovative ideas, which made them a leading manufacturer of paints. Thank you.
1903. It belongs to the automotive industry and it serves in most of the countries except.
Hi friends. Today, I have chosen Amazon for my corporate analysis event. The sales of goods, when compared to last year, it has decreased to 13%, where the sales of services, when compared to last percentage, has increased to 2.4%. I conclude that the company is running with profits and gaining a lot of customers with their service and goods. Thank you.
So Ford Motor Company basically have only 3 segment reporting. So this table basically describes the performance of all the 3 segments. Thank you all. I would like to thank all the teachers and management for giving this opportunity to present in front of a huge number of audience.